Hello, product developers. Do you have an idea about the product, functional part, prototype, maybe a spare part? And you're asking yourself where to find a proper manufacturer for your product. I will introduce 4 steps called P.U.M.A approach, and which helps to avoid mistakes that most people do. I'm Barbara Wilkesman. I'm the owner of P.U.M.A company, and we are in the rapid prototyping and manufacturing for more than 30 years. And we have done a lot of projects for all kinds of industry, automotive, electrical, foundries, for prop shops, and many, many more. So 4 steps that helps to find the right manufacturer for your product are: P is like problem, so we are focused on your problem, and we say impossible is possible. So together with you, we seek out the best solution, and we produce exactly what you demand from us and for your specific purpose. U as uniqueness. Whole production should be adapted to your needs, demands, and wishes. M, like maximizing, minimizing, so effective production of a product as its optimization and fast implementation onto the marketplace. And we lower your risk, pressure, and also worries. A, like action. So we are active as always, and we will help you to find the best solution, but so your product will be 8 times faster on the marketplace, and feedback from the marketplace is key to the success of a product. If you believe in your idea and in our approach, then you can subscribe on our video or set an appointment on the link below. And see you later.